So today we are going to actually observe Meghna making thepla and go through all the steps, all the ingredients explained by her. This is a very authentic.
Normal गेहूं का आटा.
Okay.
And
Where do you get your atta from?
I get it from Chakki,
Okay.
which is especially from Mohini Mohan, the road over there in
Wow.
Bhawanipur.
So
I get my Chakki. I get my atta from there.
So you are very particular to get it straight from the
yes,
chakki.
yes, yes.
Okay.
So I added salt.
How much of atta is this approx?
This will make about 25 pieces of thickness.
Okay.
Little bit, about a spoon of lal mirch.
This looks like half a kg? No.
600-700 grams. I put a little bit of haldi to give it the proper yellow color. Little bit of dhania jeera powder. This is optional.
This is what? Dhania?
Dhania and jeera mix.
Your dhania looks so good. Where do you get it from?
This is ready from packet. Hai,
Oh,
Adani.
okay. Okay.
The oil for moin. About 2 tablespoons.
What oil do you use? Any oil or?
No, I sometimes use groundnut oil. Groundnut oil तो अभी कम हो गया है. Yes, we use rice bran oil or sunfloil oil.
Sunflower.
Either of the one.
Any white oil basically.
Yes, yes. So this is, I put about 2 tablespoons of oil for moin. And the most important thing, so for longevity and for softness, we add about 1.5 tablespoons of curd. So this is what I specially make when he's traveling because it stays for longer time.
Longer
for about 5-6 days, it stays fresh. You can't have more, but yes, utna to it stays.
Okay. Interesting. This looks so nice actually.
Very finely chopped methi you add to it.
So this is especially during winters.
Yeah, in winters. जैसे कोई किसी को अगर summers में भी खाना है तो you can use kasuri methi. No problems in it also. But the taste would be a little different. But fresh methi taste is really awesome.
Yeah, yeah.
See, mix everything and knead a soft dough.
I love kneading dough. It's so therapeutic, right? Not every day, but you don't agree.
I don't like it.
Actually, रोज करना होगा तो I am sure I'll also not like it.
I'm sure, yes. Now because I don't do it every day. Kneading of dough and everything is done by my maid. I've taught her everything. Do it later on. Rolling and everything. Rolling and all, they still...
They don't get it right.
Yeah, because at my house, everybody is very particular about patla and chota and bada and all.
So getting it even is a big thing.
Yeah.
Right?
So I do the rolling and all.
A bit of arm work, huh?
Yeah.
आपका आज arm workout हो गया.
I didn't go to the gym today.
So this is quite a bit of. So this is like a tight dough.
No, it's a semi-soft dough. If you make it very tight, it will become very kadak where you are making. So the dough has to be soft. The theplas will come out very soft. So it's a semi-soft dough.
So apart from kasuri methi, do you have other kinds of theplas?
See, you can put even dhania patta also.
Ah.
That will also look good, taste good also. But that's all again winter. In summers, you don't get so, and especially in this monsoon season, so you don't get good dhania patta also.
Yeah, the dhania patta is really sad ones.
Yes. So winters the theplas are really tasty because you can experiment with lots of things. Sometimes what I do, I saute the methi with garlic and all.
Oh,
and
nice.
then I put in this. So that comes out another
Yeah,
version.
that's also a very good variant.
In winters you can even mix bajri atta and gehu atta together and make another version of thepla.
Thepla.
That is soft
Done.
now.
I'm just checking. Oh yeah. This is slightly softer than the chapati atta.
Yes, yes, yes. Then you have to knead it little bit with about 1/4 teaspoon of oil.
Oil.
Yes, and just knead it.
And leave it then.
Yes, and leave it.
That dough looks so nice. Actually, it's like that plasticine,
So in summers we sometimes even put the jeera also.
Jeera also.
Kacha jeera, yes. New variation for because every time you don't like that
same.
plain
Taste.
thepla. So that's why.
Classic thepla.
Some design on one side, and there you go.
It's actually as thin as a chapati.
Yeah. Everybody in the house likes. So once it's cooked from one side, then we apply about 1/2 teaspoon of oil on the thepla and we turn it. And then you roast it from both the sides. You don't need to put so much of oil. Just once will be fine. There you go. See, both the sides are done. Now my tawa is hot enough. Now I can put it on slow. एकदम अभी वही था तो that is why तो and just flip it. There you go.
There we go. And that's done. Wow. Lovely. It smells so good also. This is a very good dish to have for dinner also. When you are in, jaldi ban jata hai if you are in a hurry. Yellow tortilla.
Yes. And there we are done with this and just
So that's how you have your theplas.
Yes.
Curd, sabzi and
bhujia.
bhujia.
Whoever wants achar, they take achar also
Wow.
along with it. Achar and khatta achar, whatever.
Right. That looks awesome.